Ladies and gentlemen, check out the 2022 Perth Mint range here at Bullion Now. Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia for nearly 16,000 subscribers.
It's cool, isn't it?
It's very cool. What are we doing?
Well, funnily enough, what we're doing is really advertising the Perth Mint pamphlets.
Yeah.
So these are the posters that the Perth Mint released this week to announce their release of the 22 bullion coins. And along with the posters which they send out to the stores, they send out a whole stack of these pamphlets, which just gives a bit of a burst on the bullion program. So what's coming, pictures, vintage levels, sizes, all that sort of jazz.
Very cool.
And then obviously they're minted bars in the back. So we will be making these available now they've been released.
Yep.
If you're coming into store, which I know most people aren't because of lockdown, but if you are, you're in the neighbourhood, 227 Collins Street, level 6, come in and pick one up because it's a good bit of information. If not, for the rest of this month, we're going to try and include them in every parcel that goes out. So no, we're not junk mailing you. It's just some good information that we thought you might be interested in. Unfortunately, I didn't get to Emma and the team early enough this morning, so Monday's batch won't have them in.
Okay.
But Tuesday onwards, we should be good to go, and they should all have these in them.
Fantastic. And a reminder to everyone, we've got the Tiger release on Monday coming. So not today, obviously. Tuesday is when I'll be releasing this. So the coming Monday, the 13th of September.
That's right. You'll be able to place all your orders for all of the Tiger issue, except for the 1/20th in gold, and the 5 ounce, the kilo, and the 10 kilo in the silver. At
this stage, do we think any of them will be a pre-order situation, or do we think we're going to have all physical stuff here?
Desperately hoping that we will have all the physical here as of Monday.
Okay.
And Perth Mint is indicating that is likely, but you never know until they actually turn up in the store.
Fair enough, no worries. We think we might make a week out of the Tiger release. It might be Tiger release week, something like that.
Do something
might
crazy.
do something special every day. Not in terms of a special, but something Tiger or 2022 release related. Head over to bullionnow.com.au. The 2022 release and the Tiger release is coming Monday, 13th of September. We're really excited. Anything else I need to know?
That's it.
All right, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.